Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve some more question for chapter 9 journal. We are going to take some different type of questions. Okay, beta? Before that, in last class, we had studied about discount, cash discount, trade discount. Today we are going to mix all the things: discount, cash, credit, trade, all type of discount and other things we are going to mix. Okay, beta? Clear? Now I am going to start the question. Okay, read the question.
2019 June 1.
First, we are going to divide this board in two parts for making the performa of journal. Okay? I think remember the performa of journal, you two? You all, beta? Okay? Then make that performa. This is for date, particular, LF, amount debit and amount credit. Okay, beta? I think you will clear about this thing. Okay, start with the question, beta.
Raghunath Bose started business with cash 80,000, goods rupees 40,000 and furniture rupees
In this
20,000.
case, they are not starting only with the cash. They are going to start with the different things. So all the things is debited and capital credit. Okay, repeat it again.
Raghunath Bose started business with cash rupees
Cash.
80,000.
Cash amount, cash account, debit. Okay, beta? Amount
80,000.
80,000 cash, beta. Okay, and then building.
Goods.
Goods account debit. Amount
Rupees 40,000.
40,000 goods, beta. Okay? Clear? Then next.
And furniture rupees 20,000.
And furniture also. Account debit amount
20,000.
20,000. It means he start with the business with the cash, goods and furniture. Okay? It's a new case. All that things, all the three things will debit. All the three things will debit, beta. Okay? Clear? All the three things will debit and capital should capital account credit and total of this amount with the total of this amount 1,40,000. Okay, beta? Nothing else in that case? Okay, clear? All the things, all cash, goods and furniture. If other assets also they are going to take, that also we are going to do the debit. And then narration, business start with cash, goods and furniture. Okay, beta? It's a narration. Clear? Entry is clear or not? All the things which they are going to utilize for the starting of that business, that will debited and capital should be credited. Okay, beta? Clear? Next.
June 2 sold goods to Nandlal of the list price of
Sold goods to Nandlal. First read the sold goods to Nandlal. Entry, you are going to sell. Nandlal is receiving. Receiving means debit. It means Nandlal debit. Nandlal debit to sales. It's clear. Okay, beta? Nandlal debit to sales. Date, beta, date?
June 2.
June 1 and June 2. Nandlal debit to sales. It's so clear because you are going to sell and amount
Of rupees 20,000
of rupees 20,000 and
at trade discount of 10%.
always I am telling these things. In the case of trade discount, directly we are going to less the trade discount amount only. Okay? Directly we are going to less the trade discount amount. 20,000 is main amount, 10% discount. Less that 20,000, 10%, 2,000, less that amount, 18,000. It means this entry with the amount of 18,000. Okay? And then
June 4.
goods sold to Nandlal. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear? Okay, next. Next.
Nandlal returned goods of the list price of rupees 4,000.
Okay, 4,000. And date is what?
June 4.
June 4. Okay. Nandlal returns goods. First you are going to sell and then Nandlal return the goods. It means sales return, and sales return always debit because sales credit and sales return debit. Then sales return account debit to Nandlal. Goods returned by Nandlal. Okay, beta, 4,000. List price is 4,000. Here list price is 20,000. Then we are going to less the trade discount. Here again list price is 4,000. Then again we are going to less the trade discount. 10% 400. Then 4,000 less 400, 3,600. 3,600. Okay, beta, clear? On the case of 20,000, just see here, 20,000 case is there. Okay, selling price is 20,000. 10% less 18,000. That amount we are showing here only. Here 4,000. Again 10% less 3,600. That is shown here. Okay, beta, clear? How we are going to show this amount? Okay. Next.
June 8.
8 June. Okay.
Received from Nandlal rupees 14,150 in full settlement of his account.
Okay. Now we are going to receive the amount for Nandlal. We are receiving the amount. It means cash coming. What is coming in the business that will debit? It means cash debit. Cash account debit. Now we are going to calculate the amount that should be received from the Nandlal, because first you are going to sell 18,000, and what amount are receiving? The 14,000.
150.
150. We are receiving 14,150. We are going to sell 18,000, then less the amount return 3,600. It means 14,400. We have to receive 14,400, but we are receiving only what amount? 14,150. 14,400 needed, but we are receiving 14,150. It means 250 is what? Discount. Discount account debit. Okay, but clear? How are you doing this? Clear or not? Just see. We are needed amount 14,400, but we are receiving only 14,100. 14,100. Then sure and certain discount is there to Nandlal, and Nandlal paying 14,400, but they are exactly paying 14,100. Then 2,250 is what? It's a discount. Okay, beta. Cash received from Nandlal. Okay? Clear? How we are doing this? Clear or not? Clear, na beta? You are receiving what amount written in the cash, but you are needed what amount written on the front of Nandlal, and difference amount is what? Discount. Clear? Now I am going for this side. Okay. Okay. Now the column is ready. Okay.
Purchased good from Bridge Mohan of the
Purchase goods from Bridge Mohan. Didn't go for thinking about the money. First think about the entry. You are going to purchase. It means purchase will be a debit. Purchase account debit. From whom? Next.
of the list price of rupees 10,000 at 15% trade discount.
ठीक है. From which name is what?
Bridge Mohan.
Bridge Mohan. तो purchase account debit to Bridge Mohan. 10,000 15% trade discount. 15% बेटा. 15% 1500. It means 8,500. 8,500. 8,500. Purchase goods from Bridge Mohan. Okay? Clear or not? Purchase goods from Bridge Mohan. Clear है बेटा? And the amount date is 10. And the date is and date is 10. Okay बेटा? Clear? Okay. Next.
June 30. Return goods to Bridge Mohan of the list
We are
price.
going to return the goods. We are going to return the goods to Bridge Mohan. It means that is purchase return. As like same sales return is debited, so purchase return will credited. Just see. Bridge Mohan David to purchase return. Goods return to Bridge Mohan. What amount we are going to return, beta? Bridge Mohan.
At rupees 1,000.
1,000 and 15% trade discount. Less that discount, 150 less. It means 850. Beta 850. Clear? Clear or not? Clear na beta? 850. Okay? Okay, go next.
Settled the account of Bridge Mohan by paying cash under a discount of rupees 4%.
4%. 4% discount. We are going to pay the amount of Mr. Bridge Mohan with the 4%. 4% cash discount. So first, Bridge Mohan receiving the amount. Bridge Mohan David to cash and to discount. Okay. First, we are going to calculate what amount needed to pay. There, 8,500 less 850. 8,500 850. What amount is coming, beta? 50, 4, 8. What amount? 6, 7,650 rupees. We needed 7,650 rupees. 4%. Just go to calculate the 4% is discount. 4 upon 100. Cut this amount. 0, 20, 0, 2, 24, 2, 6, 2, 28, 2, 30. It means cut this amount 306 rupees discount. Okay, beta? 306 rupees discount. Less this amount from here. 4. We needed 7,650, but 306 rupees discount. It means 4, 4. Okay. Then next beta, 6 less 3, 3 and 7. It means 7,344 rupees. 7,344 rupees we are going to pay to the Bridge Mohan. Cash paid to Mohan. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, beta?
14 minutes.
Clear or not? Clear na beta? Okay. Next.
June 18. Purchased goods from Anil rupees 5,000. Sunil rupees 10,000.
From 2 person, we are going to purchase the goods from 2 person. So then no problem beta. Purchase account debit to Anil and to Sunil. Beta, no problem. If 2 name is coming, 3 name is coming, 4 name is coming, don't take any type of problem. Credit. Purchase always debit beta. And Anil and Sunil will credit. Amount beta, purchasing amount
5,000, Sunil 10,000.
5,000 and 10,000 and total is 15,000. Goods purchased from Anil and Sunil. Okay beta, clear? Then go for the next.
Paid cash to Anil rupees 1,900 and discount received rupees 100.
He is going to pay to the Anil 1,900 and 100 discount. So then Anil account debit to cash to discount. We are going to pay the amount 2,000. Only 1,900 pay and 100 is what beta? Discount. Paid amount or cash to Anil. Okay beta? Clear or not? Clear na? Clear na beta? Only we are going to pay to the Anil. It's okay. Here needed to pay 5,000, but he is going to pay only 2,000. No problem. We are going to pay only 2,000. We are going to pay only 2,000. It means only 2,000 we are getting for the entry. Okay, beta? Then go for the next. For that, I am going to rub this side. Okay. Go from this side.
June 20, paid rupees 9,800 to Sunil in full settlement.
9,800 for full settlement. We needed to pay 10,000. Only we are going to pay Sunil. Sunil David to cash discount. We needed to pay 10,000. Only we are going to pay 9,800. It means 200 beta discount. Clear? You are taking some amount. You are taking the amount of 10,000. Okay, but you are going to pay only 9,800. It means 200 is what? Discount. Because in the question they are going to say the settlement. Settlement means only by the paying of 9,800 they are just clearing the total amount. Cash paid to Sunil. So next.
Bought a table fan for rupees 8,000 for domestic use of Raghunath.
Domestic use beta. Domestic personal use, that is always treating like a drawing. Okay, beta? Domestic use, personal use, always treating like a drawing beta. Clear na? Anything withdrawn for his personal use, that is called drawing. Here he is going to purchase the fund for domestic use. It means drawing account debit to cash. Drawing account debit to cash. Okay. Purchase fund for personal use. Okay, amount
8,000.
8,000. Okay, beta. From personal use, amount 8,000. Okay, clear? Next.
June 25 sold goods for cash of list price of rupees 8,000 at 10% trade discount and 3% cash discount.
Okay, just see. First we are going to less the trade discount. First we are going to less the trade discount. Okay. Purchase or sell. Repeat beta ko. Repeat.
Sold goods for cash
It
of
means cash account debit. Discount account debit to sales. Because cash is clear. Clearly is saying about the cash beta. Okay. List price is
8,000
8,000. Trade discount
10%.
10%. 8,000 list price. 10% trade discount. 10%. 800. 800 less. 800 less. It means 7,200. So that's 7,200. And then we are going to take the cash.
3%.
Cash discount is 3%. 3%. Just calculate the 3%. 2, 3, 6 and 7, 21. 216. Okay, beta? 216. 2 into 3, 3% will want to calculate. 6 and 7 into 3, 21. And the remaining amount is 4, 8, okay, 4, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 9, 10, 2, okay, and then 6. 6,984. Okay, beta? 6,984. 6,984.
June 30 paid rent rupees 8,000, trade expenses rupees 7,000 and traveling expenses.
It's last.
हाँ.
Okay. We are going to pay the rent. Rent na beta? So rent account debit and trade expense account debit and
Traveling expenses.
trade expense not there.
Trade.
Trade and traveling both.
हाँ.
Traveling expense debit and only 3. 2 cash. Okay beta? 2 cash. Clear? Amount beta? Rent amount?
8,000,
8,000. Then
7,000,
7,000. Then
3,800.
3,800. Then total amount is 008 and 18. Clear? Clear or not? Clear hai beta? Clear or not? We are not going to total because first I am not going to take the total of first page, so it's not possible to totaling of this. But all entry is clear. How we are going to do the debit? How we are going to do the credit? Question number beta? Question number?
Question number 9.
It's a question number 9 beta. It's a question number 9. Main thing is 2% purchase, half amount payment, less amount payment, then settlement of amount with the discount, settlement of amount with the discount. These are the main. More expense, 3 or 4 expenses there. One time you are going to pay. If you are paying the expense, the all expense will debit beta. All expense will debited and cash will credit. You are receiving from more person, then cash will debit and all the person or all the resources credit. Okay? Clear or not? How we are doing the entries? Clear beta? Okay. Okay? Thank you.